So far with Scrofar.
I can see it's a miracle!
Hello everybody, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone else in between. This is Scrofar, and we are back to playing Mad Father. Alright, so right now we're in a horrible looking place and there's still feces on the ground and I still don't understand why. But anyway, last time we let loose a Final Fantasy monster, which reminds me I need to get back on playing Final Fantasy. Because, I don't know what I'm doing in that game anymore. Anyway, we released the monster, and things are going down. And also, there's like something in the toilet, but I can't get to the toilet because I don't have anything to, I can't really use my hands because I as a girl. And, getting stuff out of toilets is just kind of disgusting. Uh-huh. Guess we'll have to make our way around and poke everything in this horribly creepy place. Is there something over here? Maybe? I don't know. See, all the barrels are broken. And there's really nothing. There's water in the bucket. I hope someone peed. A urinal. It stinks. Nothing out of the ordinary. Just like a real man's bathroom. Can't take that. Contains unknown things. That's disgusting. That's not where you put your tampons. Actually, I don't know. Is this the guy's? Yeah, why would... I'm not gonna say anything anymore. That's not what I was supposed to do. The floor has fallen away. Right, so I still don't know what we're supposed to do. Well, let's go back to that place where he was pointing to. And then he died of it. You are a good man, old man. I pray you are we will one day. God dang it. New text on anatomy. Can I read it? I don't think she wants to read it. She definitely don't want to look at that either. Poor Snowball. I knew there was something fishy about Snowball. I'm pretty sure he's demented. I'm pretty sure that Final Fantasy monster could be Snowball. That's shattered. Scattered papers. What could be up here? Did I miss something? No? God, this place is horrible. Let's see. Let's see, there's nothing down here apparently. There's... I don't know, still waiting for a jump scare to happen. Actually, give me a second. Maybe I can use an item to get into that toilet thingamajig? Do I have anything that can, do stuff? Okay, here we go. Yeah, don't think I do. God dang it. Gotta start pressing things now. Oh boy, it's gonna take a while. Can I just carry that flush shot? No, can't. Okay. Is there something that I'm missing from the fathoms above? Oh my god, I feel so sorry for that poor lady. Ugh. So sorry. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I truly, really am. Okay, anything around here that I can get to get the key out, because that looks like the only way I could progress. No. I don't think I get through here. That looks horrible. Let me go save. Now I'm officially scared of that section. Well, guess I have no choice. Time to die, time to die, time to die. Oh god, I am going to sing some songs now. Whew, okay, what's a happy song? What's a happy song? Oh god, whew. Okay, gotta calm down. Da, da, da. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Da, da. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Da, da. Oh, whoa, ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. You know you love me. You know you care. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da 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 da. Oh my god, are you okay? Mr. Green Man, are you okay? Are you Kazuma? Kazuma, Dr. Kazuma, what happened? I don't think that's blood. Oh, I can't really get anywhere. Oh, that was horrible. And I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, but da 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 da. Anything else you gotta say? Curse that doing everything says so deceived as to true nature. Going to create. Ah, it's the same thing. Oh, Nelly. Da 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 da. This is the only way to calm down, guys. What the heck? Oh, swell. Did not see that. Oh! That was horrible. How many gems do I have? 15. Wow, I have only 6 more left to go. If I collect everything, maybe something cool will happen. And I hope I do, because I would like cool things to happen. Oh my god. Maria? Nothing here. I can't talk about these things because I will probably get cursed. Naked people! I'm pretty sure they're all homunculi. That's not good. Shells are a mess. She's fainted. And I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 no, like. Okay, taxidermy room. Alright, it's time to sing more songs. So what's another pop song I could ruin? Oh god, that looks horrible. Like your face. Eee. I swear to God. Okay, still nothing. Sturdy wooden crates. Probably full of dead cats. And birds. Still looks horrible. Let's see. Da 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 da. Bow ba da 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 da. That is not a pop song, but I do not care. I don't know what I'm doing, still trying to look for something. Seriously, what am I supposed to be doing? Good lord! Well, these guys are still there. Nope, can't catch this. Can't have any of this. Pedophiles. Let's see. Maybe something in Mom's room? Mom! Nope. Books? No. Okay. Pop out! Okay. How about my room? Snowball? Who's a good snowball? Who's a good snowball? You're a good snowball. Until you turn tail and kill me. That would be terrible. Anything evil out there? No? Okay. Still broken. Forever broken. Is there something in these pots that I can use? Oh god, stop blinking, it's freaking me out. God dang it, stop blinking! Any useful junk around here? Can I hang myself? No? That'd be terrible. Why do I always suggest that? Don't hang yourself, kids. It's pretty painful. Not that I've done it myself, but seriously, don't hang yourself, kids. That's not the way to go. Actually, suicide is never an option. I'm going to tell you that throughout this whole game. Suicide is never the option. What is this? Flower pot. How many freaking pots do we have? I swear to God, how many pots? Here we go. Let's see if we can do something in here for once. Okay. Really need something that could get me something. It's so dark outside. God, still nighttime? I can't believe this. Alright, 3 bucks. Maria's room. Nothing here. Nothing there. Nothing there. God dang it, what am I supposed to be doing? Not using a walkthrough, guys. I'm never using a walkthrough. Dang it, still locked. Good lord. Nothing in here. I remember the days when that guy used to come out and freak out. Doll room. God dang it, these dolls are horrible. Gorgeous chair. Still think they're out to kill me, so I'm not gonna deal with this. Why do I have a... Oh yeah, I'm rich. Okay, that's not useful. Nope. See ya. I wouldn't want to be ya. Can I just use my toilet for once in my life? Toilet. Right there. There. Nope. He's dead. Stopped at midnight. Did time just stop in here for a second then? I am not doing anything productive this whole episode. It's pretty stupid. Ah, so stupid. No, there's nothing in here. Guys, what am I doing wrong? Tell me. I'm pretty sure I'm doing something incredibly wrong. Water. Is there anything out here? Yes, I feel like this is the first episode that I've barely done anything in a while. Girl isn't crying anymore. Well, there's nothing in here either. This might be the hardest part of the whole game. Aside from finding out what I'm supposed to do with the crying girl. Oh, dude! Deuces! Deuces! Okay, let's go in the cafeteria. Maybe there's something in there. Oh! Okay, gotta be quick now. Deuces! Dog's not there. Whoa! Are you important? I don't suppose these have anything? I guess not. Sigh. What am I supposed to do here? So, let's see. So, So there's a dead guy here, which is terrible. And there's really nothing else up here that I can really do. I feel like I've explored the whole place already. And that's pretty depressing. Nope. Well, this has been probably the most quietest episode I've had. I can't loot her body, that's for sure. Why don't I just take it right now? Come on. I've done it once, Aya, you can do it. Huh. A way to grab it. Can you just force yourself to grab it, please, for the love of God? Can we just hire someone? Cuts all over his body. Can't I just pick this up? No? Okay. Ugh, this is gonna be really... This is gonna take a friggin' while to understand what I'm supposed to get. No. Can't get that. Oh, can I just get the string for once, please? For the love of God, can I get the string? Maybe I can just make a hook out of it. No? Okay, fine then. Nope. It's gonna take too long. $500 later. Still nothing. And there's still feces on the floor. Looking for something that will help me. That bird is freaking evil. Just saying. He has red eyes and stuff. I mean, it's not the first time I noticed it, but he just looks evil. What can I get to get a toilet? Can I just get a plumber or something of the like? Why do these guys keep coming back? I swear to God, they keep coming at random places. I don't like it. It's horrifying. I dislike it grand much, and they really need to stop spawning and respawning, unless I'm going crazy, which could be the case. Swear to God, don't do that. Thank you. Can I get anything here? Should I take a chance to try to go outside, maybe? Like, the one where the two evil things were? Creepy, but almost beautiful. Let's move it out. There's a husk. Moving no longer. Feels like it's start moving. Oh, we're so screwed. Probably gonna die somewhere around here. Sleeping person. Okay, so two of them are alive, which can potentially mean they can kill me. Or something like that. I don't even know anymore. Guys, I have no idea. I'm actually now stuck on what I'm supposed to do. Cause seriously, I really do not know where am I supposed to go, or how am I supposed to do this. And I still refuse to look up any tutorials or walkthroughs or anything. These 3 words are probably the biggest mystery of them all. And even I guess what they meant. That made no sense at all. Deuces! Oh no! Nope, I'm dead. See ya, suckers! Sure there's nothing else on these books? Real encyclopedia. Scared books. Flame egg. Handwritten root of the no memo. Eternal beauty. Scared books. Scared books. I think I've probably wasted enough time doing anything around here at the first place. Shoot. I am so sorry about this, guys. I am absolutely freaking sorry. Yep, I should feel so sorry, and I should apologize a million times that this episode was of no production whatsoever. So yeah, again, everybody, I am extremely sorry for wasting 20 minutes of your time with nothing but walking around and trying to figure out how to get a key from the toilet. If you guys could maybe give me vague hints, not direct ones, because I still want to figure it out by myself. If you guys could give me vague hints on what I'm actually supposed to do, leave it in the comments below or something. Super vague hints. Just challenge me to a hint. I don't know. Because I really want to get this game over with soon, while still enjoying it, of course. And like I said in last cave story episode, um, I don't like using walkthroughs because they take the fun out of everything. And I sound like a hypocrite for asking you guys for help, but I think it's more fun that way because then cause then I feel like I'm talking to someone for help, and it's cooler that way. And you guys are cool. Whoever's watching this all the way through this whole thing, you are automatically awesome, cool. I'm holding up 2 thumbs right now. You deserve cookies if you are actually able to bear 20 minutes of this, screaming at me at the screen probably, clenching your bottoms, and probably wishing that I was smart enough to play through this game and scream myself to death. But anyway, I digress from that. Um, so yeah, next episode, I'm really gonna try hard to progress, get something done, and again, I am incredibly sorry for the lack of progress. Thank you for watching, nevertheless, and stay tuned for more. See yous!